cheeseburger, Big Mac Whopper, hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac Whopper, Big Mac Whopper, Big Mac Whopper, hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac Whopper, hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac Whopper, hamburger, cheeseburger.
Hey, yo, what's up? Hi, I am Harsach and welcome to another edition of Hanging Out with Harsach. So guess what we're doing today? We'll be actually hanging out with Harsach this time. Alongside that, we'll also be finding out today which one's the tastiest, lowest calorie burger in this new series, which is completely original and completely not copied from this website BuzzFeed, which I'm calling Worth It, where we'll find out which burger is worth your time and your calories. With that being underway, let's start the vlog. Alright guys, this has low-key been my favorite pre-workout meal. One of you have been asking me, Harsach, how did you make that chocolate bounty brownie protein bar? This is like a melted version of this. This is extremely close to that. You can put this in the freezer and trust me, it'll take like Coach Greg's anabolic protein bar. 5 minutes में dish बन जाएगी. Let's get to it. Alright guys, I'm gonna finish up my protein bounty bowl. That's what we are naming it. I know this looks like shit, but trust me, this tastes like the shit. This is absolutely amazing. Make sure you try it out and yeah, send me how it turns out. Don't be afraid to add raw egg whites because raw is always better. This is the only raw divine protein that I'll add in anything that I eat because I'm not Conor Murphy. So I'm gonna finish up my coffee and today we're gonna do an upper body. So let's get to it.
Cheeseburger, Big Mac, hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac Whopper, hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac Whopper.
Safety first.
Hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac Whopper, 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 hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac Whopper. Hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac Whopper, hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac Whopper, hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac Whopper, hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac Whopper. Hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac Whopper, hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac Whopper, hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac Whopper, hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac Whopper. Hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac Whopper, 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 hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac Whopper. Hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac Whopper, hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac Whopper, hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac Whopper, hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac Whopper.
Safety first.
Alright guys, the apron's on, so you know we're going to be cooking some heat. Since I'm making so many burgers, what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep the internals more or less the same. So the sauce, cheese and meat are going to be more or less the same. Let's cook some buns. The first step to creating these buns is to separate your whites from your colors. Not a racist, but that's what the recipe requires. Also, you might need to order cream of tartar. This is going to help us fluff the egg whites. I just ordered it from Amazon. I'm going to put a link down below so you can definitely check it out from there itself. With that being underway, you need to let your egg whites come to room temperature. So I'm going to keep it aside. Meanwhile, we're going to make our gnocchi batter. we've beaten up our eggs, we're going to be adding a little bit of flour into our yolk mix alongside a little bit of baking powder, and then we're going to carefully mix the two. Alright guys, our buns have been ready. I'll link the page where I saw this recipe from.
Sachets.
With that being said, now it's time to prepare our toppings as well as our meat. So let's get cooking. Alright, step 1, take your meat and put it in a blender.
I just put my dick in a blender, turn it on, it feels good, shred it all to pieces, oh well, don't really need it.
Once you've beaten your meat enough, take it out very carefully and season it well. While your meat marinates in itself, let's prepare a sauce. There are a bazillion ways to put sauce on those buns. I want to make something exquisite, something a little exotic, so I'm going to be creating my own sauce. This is going to make roughly around 6 servings and it's going to amount to 10 calories per serving. You need 15 grams of light mayo. This mayo has around 40 calories per 15 grams. 15 grams Greek yogurt. 5 grams mustard. 5 grams sriracha, 3 grams barbecue sauce, and 1 packet of sugar-free. Alright guys, another pro cooking tips for Harsach. You don't actually need oil to caramelize your onions. All you need is a pan, put it on low to high heat, add in your onions, add a pinch of salt and add a little bit of water occasionally once you feel your onions are softening up. And that's it, enjoy caramelized onions. Once our chicken is marinated for a while, we're going to convert the entire batter into small 60 gram balls, a size that I'm quite familiar with. Alright guys, moment of truth has finally arrived. Which of these burgers is worth your calories and time? With that being aside, we have an animal style burger, a low cal fluffy burger, a normal healthy home cooked anabolic burger and a Whopper. So we're going to be finding out which one's the best. I have my brother who's going to be joining me today. He's also lost 20 kgs using the anabolic lifestyle. Constantly anabolic. Anabolic running through you. Guys, that's the secret. It's just eating low calorie dense food, keeping yourself satiated and being in a calorie deficit. Harman, would you agree?
Yeah.
So guys, I think एक चीज missing है, क्या कहेगा? Guys, now we can actually start tasting. We're going to start with the lowest calorie one and work our way up to the Whopper. Alright, we're rating this out of 10. So whatever you feel, बता दियो out of 10 तू कैसा feel कर रहा है. Alright, cheers mate. I think it's quite nice, but it's not a burger.
Yeah.
Let's just be honest. It's good, tasty. जो भी है अच्छा है. But burger नहीं कह सकते. This is basically lettuce, right? The wise man once said, "Treat my main bitch like lettuce. Treat my main bitch like lettuce. Cover up the booty with some dressing." That's exactly how it tastes like. A tasty booty with some dressing. Quite decent. I would go, like, since it's not a burger, 5.
I would go in like the 6 territory.
6. That's what you're feeling?
Yeah.
Alright guys, now we're gonna try the cloud burger. I have extremely high hopes. I've also gotten the crust itself, so we can try out is it worth the 15-20 minutes to make this bread. For 20 calories, this is quite good. It has like a richness to it from the yolk. It has a very buttery richness to it. Would you agree?
I agree, but it's like a different type of crust. Compared to a normal burger, it's like very...
It's a bit like a croissant, right?
Yeah.
It's like a croissant.
It's like a croissant.
You wanna try इसको सिर्फ ऐसे vanilla?
Sure.
Raw dog it. इसको ना चाय में डुबो के खाओ. For 20 calories, and just mostly egg white and Greek yogurt.
Really good.
I really enjoy it. For the calories it's worth, I'm going like I have to give it an 8.
I'll give it a 8 too.
I think I can have 3 of these every day.
Yeah.
A solid meal. Quite filling.
It's quite good.
Like that. बोलूँगा जो तेरा मन है बोलने का फिर मन की बात कर सकते हो साथ बता सबको. Alright guys, our final homemade burger. This is like the burger that you know get in your school canteen. This one just has more protein and this has been cooked with a lot of love. कुछ वाव नहीं है.
After eating the previous one, there's no like the texture of the previous one.
I prefer the previous one. मुझे भी previous one better लगा.
And this one, I don't know, it's not that good. I personally don't really like tomatoes, so could be that.
क्या यह झूठ था?
Tomato निकाल के taste करना. Give it a fair chance. Pretty. Like I would go down. I would give this a 4. This is a 4. This burger is a 4.
I actually like the lettuce one more than this.
That's exactly what I said.
So
It's like your brothers.
I'll give this burger a 5.
I'm so mad I'm not even gonna finish it. Disgusted. I mean, it's not disgusting. It's okay, but I think the level of the standard here is so high that this one just did not pass. I think we can agree. The sauce is the only redeeming quality. Alright, now we're gonna compare it to the big dog, the Whopper. I think they have the cheese inside the sauce itself. I think this one has a slight edge because this one has pickles and ours at home did not. You can add pickles, I mean, there are hardly any calories. Alright, cheers.
This is really good compared to the...
Guys, it's a Whopper, it's better. वो पुरानी वो बासी lettuce is better than घर का. But I don't know why my heart still is thinking about the puffy one, the magic one. Yeah, I don't know. The crunchy element was actually pretty good. I actually enjoyed it. This one's also really good. But if I had an option to choose this or 3 of those, I would go with 3 of those.
Yeah, even I would go with the 3 of those. And the texture in that was, I preferred that compared to this. And this is also quite good, but still for the calories I'd go for that.
मतलब बुरा नहीं है, but I know if I know me that I can like munch down on these. I can have 3 of these very easily, and it's just gonna mess up my diet. Taste-wise, I'm giving this a solid 8.1. Is it the best burger? No, it's a Whopper. So 8.1. But overall, this is a 7.
Yeah. To me, taste-wise, this is like a 9, and overall, I'd give it a 6.5.
So guys, I think we've answered the question very scientifically. Which burgers are worth it? Definitely the magic brown one. That's the winner for me. The magic clouded one. The clouded one was the best. Clouded one is the winner. Hands down the best one. That's definitely worth it. Second one, I would say the lettuce one is also decent. Like, give it a shot. It's not a burger, but it's good.
Yeah, it's like a salad, but made as a burger.
Guys, this one was just like an utter disappointment. It's like the second child. I'm just kidding. Maybe the third child that we never had. because this isn't worth having. Would you agree?
Yeah.
Alright, that's enough nonsense. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you smash that like button. Make sure you subscribe. Actually give it a shot. Make sure you tag me in it. Anyways, that's gonna do it for today. If you stuck this far, I appreciate you. And I'll catch you in the next one.
Thank you.
You're supposed to say cheers.
Cheers.